Hi everyone. The question given is, if a body is thrown up with velocity of 15 meter per second, then the maximum height attained by the body is. The options given are 11.25 meters, 16.2, 24.5 and 7.62 meters. Now the concept used in this question is, let's first understand that. This is the ground and let's take a body over here. This body has been thrown upwards with the velocity of 15 meters per second. And now we have been asked to find the maximum height up to which this body can travel with the velocity of 15 meters per second initially provided. So it's evident that as this body is going to travel higher and higher and higher and higher, it's going to do the motion of a projectile. So it will go somewhat like this and fall back. But the point is that this point is our point of discussion. At this point, at this point, the body's vertical velocity is zero. It is vertical velocity. The velocity responsible for taking the body higher and higher becomes zero. It becomes zero at this point. So initially it was projected with the velocity of 15 meters per second, and here its final velocity becomes zero. So I can say, in other words, that the point where the final velocity becomes zero is basically the maximum point from the surface of ground. So this height, this line, this vertical line from the point, let that be B and let the point of projection be A. So this point wherein the velocity, the final velocity, the vertical velocity becomes zero, the distance of this point from the ground is going to give me the maximum height. So to calculate this is the maximum height. And let that be represented by h. So I can use third equation of motion, v square minus u square equals to 2as. Here the body is traveling under the free fall, so the final velocity is 0 minus the initial velocity provided is 15, so it will be 15 square equals to, since the body is traveling upwards, so the g is going to be negative, so it will be minus 2 into, let g be 10 meter per second square as said in the question, into, where when we will take those things, then the s will be the maximum height h, which implies the maximum height h will be given by 15 square is 225 upon 2 into 10 is 20. Cancelling out the things, we will get 20 into 10 is 200, 20 into 11 is 220.25 meters will be our answer. So the correct option is option number A. Thank you.